Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing immediate bottlenecks, free about 2 to 3 gigabytes, and clear the Warzone Mobile cache so resources go to the game. Once done, update both the app and your OS to ensure compatibility and performance patches. Make sure performance or game mode is on, close background apps, and connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your battery is under 50%, plug in. Thermal throttling and low power restrictions will otherwise limit frame rate and responsiveness. You now tune the in-game pipeline for smoothness. Choose 60 frames per second or adaptive to balance battery and stability. Reduce render scale to 0, 8 or 0, 75 if you see stutter. Lower textures to medium, disable shadows and HDR, and turn off anti-aliasing to cut GPU load. Once these are set, optimize network routing. Select the lowest latency server, prefer UDP when available, and enable router co-S to prioritize your device. These steps reduce input lag, and you finish by validating changes with a 10 to 20 minute playtest while monitoring frames per second and device temperature. If performance is stable, keep lightweight game booster tools active and disable background sync for apps that auto-sync. Make sure thermal management is enabled so the device can cool without sudden throttling. If problems persist, clear Warzone Mobile app data or reinstall the game, and if you see high ping, reset your network or switch to a different Wi-Fi channel or hotspot to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.